Let's talk about that familiar blue and white jar, Vaseline. What is it, really? Vaseline is the brand name for petroleum jelly, a purified, semi-solid gel derived from crude oil. After oil is refined for fuels, a thick, waxy residue remains, once considered waste. Through chemistry, this residue is transformed into a safe, stable, and useful product. Vaseline is not magic but science, a byproduct of oil, refined into a skin-soothing gel. Its semi-solid texture makes it perfect for spreading on skin, forming a protective barrier. Next time you open a jar, remember, you're holding a piece of scientific history, connecting oil drilling to personal care. It's science you can touch. Our story begins in the year 1859, deep in the heart of Titusville, Pennsylvania, a place that would soon become legendary in the history of industry. Here, amidst rolling hills and dense forests, the world's first commercial oil well was drilled, forever changing the landscape and the lives of those who worked there. The air was thick with the scent of crude oil, and the ground trembled with the constant thud of machinery as men toiled day and night, chasing the promise of black gold. Among the many challenges faced by these early oil workers was a peculiar nuisance, a thick jelly-like substance they called rod wax, that would clog up their drilling equipment. At first it was nothing but a headache, slowing down progress and making their already difficult jobs even harder. But as the days wore on, the workers began to notice something strange. When they accidentally got this sticky goo on their hands, especially on cuts, scrapes, or burns from the rough work, their wounds seemed to heal faster than usual. Word spread quickly among the crew, and soon, men were deliberately applying the rod wax to their injuries, curious about its effects. The rod wax formed a thick, protective barrier over the skin, sealing out dirt, grit, and infection. In an era before modern medicine, this simple layer made a world of difference, helping wounds stay clean and heal more rapidly. It was a small miracle in a harsh environment. Before long, workers began scooping up the rod wax and taking it home in jars and tins. They used it not just for work injuries, but for all sorts of skin complaints, cracked hands, chapped lips, and even minor burns from the kitchen stove. It became a staple in their households, passed from one family member to another. This wasn't the result of scientific research or laboratory experiments. Instead, it was born from practical observation and the shared wisdom of hardworking people. Around campfires and in bunkhouses, stories of the rod wax's healing powers grew, blending fact with folklore. The rod wax itself was far from glamorous. It was dark, sticky, and carried a strong, oily smell. Unrefined and raw, it looked more like a waste product than a medicine. But its most important property was undeniable. It created a barrier that protected and soothed the skin. What began as a troublesome byproduct, something to be scraped off and thrown away, was transformed by necessity and ingenuity into a grassroots remedy. The oil fields, once seen only as a source of fuel, had unexpectedly given birth to a new kind of healing salve. The curiosity and resourcefulness of these workers turned a messy problem into a surprising solution. Their willingness to experiment and share their findings set the stage for something much bigger, a discovery that would soon catch the attention of a chemist with a vision. This accidental breakthrough in the oil fields would soon spark a revolution in skincare, inspiring new products and changing the way people cared for their skin around the world. It just goes to show, sometimes, the most transformative ideas come from the most unexpected places, born out of necessity and a little bit of luck. And this humble discovery from the oil rigs of Pennsylvania was about to change everything, leaving a mark on history that would last for generations. Enter Robert Chesebro, a young and ambitious chemist whose curiosity was matched only by his determination. Fascinated by stories of a mysterious substance known as rod wax that oil workers claimed could heal cuts and burns, Chesebro saw potential where others saw only a sticky nuisance. He was driven by a vision to transform this overlooked byproduct into something valuable, something that could help people in their everyday lives. Determined to investigate, Chesebro set out on a journey to the oil fields of Pennsylvania. He traveled by train through rolling countryside, collecting samples of the waxy residue straight from the oil rigs. With these samples in hand, he returned to his modest laboratory in Brooklyn, eager to unlock the secrets hidden within the dark, sticky substance. Back in his lab, Chesebro devoted countless hours to experimentation. He tried method after method, refining and purifying the crude material. Through trial and error, he managed to transform the dark goo into a clear, stable gel, something entirely new and unlike anything else available at the time. To prove its effectiveness, Chesebro bravely tested the gel on himself. He applied it to his own cuts, burns, and scrapes, carefully observing how quickly his skin healed. Each successful test fueled his conviction that he was onto something truly remarkable, a healing ointment that could benefit countless people. His breakthrough came when he perfected a process to remove impurities, leaving behind only pure, soothing petroleum jelly. This innovation set his product apart, ensuring it was safe, effective, and ready for everyday use. Chesebro named his creation Vaseline, a blend of the German word Wasser for water and the Greek elein for oil. The name reflected the product's unique qualities, a substance that was both gentle and protective, bridging the gap between nature and science. In 1872, Chesebro secured a patent for his process. He didn't stop there. He traveled from pharmacy to pharmacy, demonstrating Vaseline's healing power to skeptical pharmacists and curious customers. His passion and persistence paid off as word spread about this new wonder product. What began as a messy byproduct from oil drilling was transformed by Chesebro's vision and ingenuity into a household staple. Vaseline soon found its place in medicine cabinets and homes across the country, trusted for its healing and protective properties. The story of Vaseline is a testament to the power of curiosity, scientific exploration, and the belief that even the simplest solutions can change lives. Chesebro's relentless pursuit of innovation turned an industrial nuisance into a product that would endure for generations. And it all started with a sticky problem on an oil rig. A problem that, thanks to Chesebro's vision, became a solution for millions. Have you ever wondered how the thick black sticky residue that comes out of the earth is transformed into the clear, smooth jelly you find in your jar of Vaseline? The journey from raw petroleum to a gentle, skin-safe product is a fascinating story of science, innovation, and meticulous purification. It all begins at the oil refinery, where crude oil is carefully heated in massive distillation towers. This process separates the lighter fuels, like gasoline and kerosene, from the heavier waxy materials that will eventually become petroleum jelly. The separation is precise, ensuring that only the right fractions move forward in the process. The heavier residue, which is thick and full of impurities, undergoes vacuum distillation. By lowering the pressure, this technique allows distillation at much lower temperatures, which is crucial for protecting the delicate structure of the hydrocarbons. This step removes many unwanted substances, setting the stage for further purification. This gentle approach is essential because it preserves the long hydrocarbon chains that give petroleum jelly its unique texture and effectiveness as a skin protectant. Scientists monitor the molecular structure closely, ensuring the product retains its beneficial properties. Next, the semi-purified jelly is passed through a series of advanced filtration systems. Materials like bleaching clay and activated carbon are used to trap microscopic contaminants, including trace metals, sulfur compounds, and other impurities that could affect the color, odor, or safety of the final product. Multiple rounds of filtration are performed, each one further refining the jelly. These steps are repeated until the substance is completely free of unwanted colors and odors, resulting in a product that is both pure and gentle. The end result is white petroleum jelly. Translucent, odorless, and incredibly stable. This transformation is not just about appearance, it's about ensuring the jelly is safe and effective for everyday use. Rigorous testing follows, with scientists and dermatologists analyzing the jelly for any remaining harmful components. Only after passing strict safety standards is it approved for use on skin, even for sensitive areas and for babies. This entire transformation is a testament to the power of industrial chemistry and human ingenuity. It's a process that combines large-scale engineering with precise laboratory science, all to create a product trusted by millions. From black sticky goo to what some call white gold, the journey of petroleum jelly is a remarkable example of how science can turn something raw and unrefined into a household essential. So the next time you reach for your jar of Vaseline, remember the incredible science and care that goes into making it safe, pure, and ready for your skin. Purity isn't just about looks, it's about safety. Every batch of Vaseline undergoes strict tests for harmful compounds like pH, ensuring none remain. Scientists check melting point, color, clarity, and odor to guarantee consistency. Any batch that fails is rejected. No exceptions. This rigorous quality control means Vaseline is non-comedogenic and safe for most skin types. The result? A product trusted worldwide for over a century. Behind every jar is a commitment to invisible vital safety. Once purified and tested, Vaseline is ready for packaging. The jelly is kept warm in sterile vats, then dispensed into jars or tubes by automated machines. For classic Vaseline, nothing is added, just pure white petroleum jelly. Containers are filled, cooled to set the texture, and sealed airtight for a long shelf life. Labels and batch codes are added for traceability. Boxes are shipped worldwide, delivering a safe, consistent product to your local store. From vat to shelf, every step is about precision and care. That's how Vaseline makes its way into your hands. So, what does Vaseline actually do for your skin? It acts as an occlusive, forming a water-resistant barrier on the surface. This barrier locks in your skin's natural moisture, preventing water loss. It doesn't add moisture, but helps your skin retain what it already has. For minor cuts or dry skin, Vaseline protects against dirt and bacteria, creating an ideal healing environment. Its simple inert formula rarely causes irritation or allergies. That's why dermatologists recommend it for sensitive skin and eczema. Vaseline's power is in its simplicity. It protects, soothes, and lets your skin heal itself. No fancy ingredients, just a perfect protective shield. Sometimes, less really is more. Vaseline isn't just for chapped lips or dry skin, it's a true household hero. In beauty, it tames eyebrows, extends perfume, removes makeup, and even makes a DIY lip scrub. Around the house, it silences squeaky hinges, loosens stuck locks, and protects tools from rust. Parents use it to prevent diaper rash, athletes use it to prevent chafing. Artists and tattoo enthusiasts rely on it for protection and healing. Its versatility is legendary. One simple product, countless uses. For something so basic and affordable, Vaseline delivers remarkable value. That's why it's found in medicine cabinets, toolboxes, and art studios alike. Its enduring appeal comes from being useful in ways you'd never expect. Vaseline, the original, multi-purpose solution. For over 150 years, Vaseline has been a symbol of trust and simplicity. While trends come and go, this humble jar remains a staple in homes worldwide. Its legacy is built on purity, safety, and real-world results, generation after generation. Many of us have personal memories tied to Vaseline, making it more than just a product. It's a tradition of care, passed down through families. In a world of complex skincare, Vaseline stands out for being safe, effective, and uncomplicated. It protects, soothes, and heals. No fuss, just results. Sometimes the best solutions are the simplest ones. Vaseline's story is proof that brilliance can be beautifully uncomplicated.